Hello everyone, in this video, let's learn how to solve this 2025 MIT Innovation B. The integral form 0 to 1 s to the 2024 times 1 minus s to the 2025 all together to the 2025 ds. Alright, so let's try u substitution. So let u be 1 minus s to the 2025, which is this guy right here, right? So du is negative 2025 s to the 2024 ds. Now we're going to change the lower limit and upper limit. So when s equals 0 and s equals 1, u becomes s equals 0, substitute over here, s will be 0, so 1 subtract 0 equals 1, right? So u equals 1. S equals 1, substitute over here, s will be 1. So 1 subtract 1 equals 0, right? So u equals 0, right? So you have this guy becomes the integral form 1 to 0. Don't forget the negative side right here because du equals this one right here. So you have s to the 2024 times ds right here equals du divided by negative 2025, right? So negative 1 over 2025 and you put du right here, right? Now 1 minus s to the 2025 equals u, right? Right here. So it could be u to the 2025, right? So if you take antiderivative of this one, it could be negative 1 over 2025 u to the 2026 over 2026. Evaluate the form 1 to 0, right? Now this guy becomes, you substitute 0 over here, it's going to be 0, right? So it could be 0 subtract negative 1, substitute over here, it's going to be 1, right? So it could be 1 over 2025 times 2026, right? Negative times negative is going to be positive. So the answer is 1 over 2025 times 2026. This one is the final answer. If you have another way to solve this problem, please leave a comment. And it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand